Hi everyone, welcome to African Gardening. Today I just want to quickly show you mangoes in the rainy season in Nigeria. In Nigeria, mangoes start fruiting in December and you harvest them in April and May. This is in November. We have mangoes. I have a newspaper today to show the dates. This is the 15th of November. All right, so you can show that. Can you see it? Can you see the 15th? Can you see? 15th day of December. So there's another newspaper, just to show there are two newspapers. So these are the newspapers, two newspapers, just to prove to you that the date is correct. So basically, you can see the mangoes now. Look at them here. So come around, you can see them. Lots of them. I mean, the reason why this happened, I will say it in a bit. This mango started fruiting. It was sometime in August, I think August, September, and we're in November now, and they're ripe. And the reason why this happens is that we applied fungicides. All of the mangoes around this part of Nigeria, you won't find fruits this much. Why? Because when mangoes bring out flowers during the raining season, you have fungal spores in the rains that affect the flower panicles, and then there will be no fruits. Sometimes maybe you get one or two, but you can see there are lots and lots of fruits. We've counted them. We have about 150 fruits from this tree. So if you want mangoes all year round, ensure that you spray your mango trees with fungicides so that you can have a very good harvest and enjoy the fruits of your labor. So you can see them. I mean, they're really, really fresh. Look at that. 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 Mangoes everywhere. Look at that. On top of me, up, you can see that. So lots and lots of mangoes, you know. I mean, I'm really excited. I'm really happy. So if you have a mango tree in your house that's been flowering without producing flowers, the best thing to do, apply fungicides. And then you're going to be having lots and lots of mangoes all year round. All year round. This is exciting. I'm really excited. And we're going to start harvesting this maybe sometime today. And yeah, so we're going to be the only people eating mangoes in Nigeria at this time of the year. This is really, really exciting. We started the harvest from the top. Like I showed you at the beginning of the videos, you can see this is an off-season mango. Normally mango seasons in Nigeria is starting from November, where it starts flowering. Then you start getting mangoes like this, March, April, May. But we're in November and we're getting mangoes like this. And I explained to you what has happened. In the southern part of Nigeria, in the south, I'm in Port Harcourt right now, we've discovered that mangoes flowers 2 to 3 times a year. But the second and the third flowering happens during the raining season. So that's from August, sometimes in July, sometimes in September. Like this one, it flowered again in August. And what happens is, because there's a lot of fungal spores that comes with the rain, all the flower panicles, they do not get pollinated. They get damaged. Even if pollination occurs, you see that the fruits, they drop off. So what I did was that immediately this mango started flowering during the raining season, which is August, I sprayed a fungal solution, a fungicide. And that's why we're seeing so many mangoes like this. So we've harvested this, and look at them. I mean, they don't have any spots. They're all looking very right. So these are the ones we took from the top. We actually used the ladder. This is the first harvest. I think I have how many fruits here? This is about 16 fruits. So I'm just going to take out the rest of the other fruits. So this is it. Yeah. So when you have a basket, these are twins. So let's go. So we have about 19 fruits. I mean, straight from the tree. And guess what? We have about over 100 mangoes still, which over the coming days we're going to be harvesting. So, like I always say, I encourage everybody to do some form of gardening or farming. You know, behind your house, if there's no space, get a pot, plant something, so that you can always enjoy the fruits of your labor. I mean, you can see now. I mean, see. I've gone around the neighborhood and in so many places, I see mangoes that actually flowered at the same time as this, but they are absolutely no mangoes on them because they didn't know what to do. They didn't apply fungicides, so no results. So you know, with farming, you need some level of knowledge, and knowing the right time to apply that knowledge is the only way you will get excellent results like we have now. I mean, imagine having hectares and hectares of these mangoes during this off season. You're going to make a whole lot of money selling these mangoes in the market. I mean, look at the size. I mean, they're quite big. And look at that. Nice. Nice. So that's it. So like I said, we need to do more in farming and agriculture.